Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch again. In today's video, I'll be doing a day in my life. I'm currently starting this vlog 11:40 or thereabout. Let me check the time. 11:42. So I'm starting this vlog at 11:42 and I have a lot to do. I literally just woke up about 30 minutes ago because I didn't sleep up through the night. So I have a lot to do. My room is in a mess. See, once I arrange this room now, and these two beautiful girls, you have not seen my daughters before. This girl and this girl. Once they come to the room, I'm starting all over again the next day. So that's my job right now. So I want to arrange the room, do some dishes, have my bath, then go pick them up at 1 o'clock. School closes 1 o'clock today because today is Friday. It's half a day. Without further delay, let us get right into the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And today's going to be a fun day though. We'll go to school together to pick them. We'll cook together. We'll do a lot of things together today. So please subscribe to the channel. Please watch up to the end. Support my channel the way, whichever way you can. You can subscribe to my channel. You can run my playlist for me. You can give me something I'll collect. You can also support me in any way you feel. So without further delay, just get into arranging this room. And the weather is freaking hot. And NEPA has refused to give us light. Fuel is scarce. You cannot get fuel to buy in Lagos State. So everything is just in a mess right now. So just take me whichever way you see me today. Today is my very first time of doing a day in my life. I think so, yeah. So please subscribe to my channel, support me, and we'll see you in the next one. So guys, I'm done arranging my room. So this is what my room looks like right now. Sure, you see how neat and organized it is. A bit looking right now. That I have that shoe over there. I'm taking it out to give it to somebody. And see my ring light standing pretty. My contour. See how neat the room is. Oh. Let them come back now and spend 1 hour inside this place. You will not believe how I'm a fan of my bed being on the floor. And please, if you have any recommendation for tiles cleaning, anything I can clean these things. If you know, I just fixed these tiles last year in November, and it's been, these cement things have been so permanent. I've mop. I'm tired of it. So if you have any recommendation, please let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, this is how my room is looking like. I'm taking that outside as well. And she is my daughter's baby. You don't old. But she refused to throw it out. So this is how it's looking now. This is how it's looking now. See how clean and siren everywhere in Izu. Let them come back. I'll be saving them. Let them come back. You will see. I'll show you what the room will look like when they are done. So I'm about to go take my bath. I'll see you when I'm done taking my bath. So I just came out from the bathroom. I'm about to get dressed, get ready to go pick my kids from school. So I'm going to see you when I'm done. I don't have any skincare routine. I don't do anything. Just use my soap. That's all. So just get ready. Just want to wear something light. The weather is hot. Just wear something small to go pick my kids up in school. I'll see you in the next clip. So guys, I'm ready to go pick my kids. I just have this small Ankara gown on, something small on to me because I cannot withstand it. So it's just a short gown. This is it. So I'm going to the school to pick the kids now. Let's go.
My homework.
Homework, Iko.
Have you completed it?
How are you? Bring your bag. High school. Yeah, go and bring your bag. Sorry now. See, when next, I know you want to have your phone of your own, but when next you need my phone, you let me know. You don't come behind. You don't come snitch your hands, snitch behind me and come take my phone. Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry I shouted at you. Sorry. This is my 10-year-old girl. See, she's about to pick up. Yeah, take. You and your sister. Before that, so let's come and lie down with you. Guys, I told you that this room will turn upside down in 1 hour. Watch and see. See this one. Adesola, how are you? Fine. How was school today? What do you want to tell me?
I want to tell you that
Tana shoe for you. I'll buy Tana shoe for you, don't worry. Which one is Tana wristwatch? Is disco? Say disco.
Disco.
It's my pretty daughter. She's blushing. You're going to meet your sister. Go and watch cartoon. What are you watching, MSA? Okay. So I have a stew that I was cooking yesterday. I did not finish cooking. So I'm quickly going to finish cooking up that stew right now and boil rice for my kids to eat lunch. So that's what I'm about to do. If you have watched up until this point, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And see you in my next clip, because I want to add. Let me show you what I want to add to this stew. I have iru, locust bean, as a typical Ekiti girl that I is. So I'll be using that, and smoked fish. This is smoked fish. I don't want to open the nylon now because of flies. But that's just the two things I'm adding into it. It's just a basic stew. And this is the pepper I started cooking yesterday. I'm not done with it. So I'm going to continue that and quickly boil rice for my kids to eat. So I'm done cooking. And they're about to have their lunch. So I think I'm going to end this vlog right here. It's currently before thereabouts. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for ruling my day with me. See you in my next video or vlog. Stay blessed.